Hello from the School of Earth, Atmosphere and Environment, or EAE. We live on a dynamic planet approximately 4.5 billion years old. We need to better understand and protect our planet during these times of major change, especially as the population of the Earth continues to climb to 7.7 billion people. In the School of EAE, we seek to understand everything from the centre of the Earth through to the outermost reaches of space. So, why should you consider studying in our school? Well, our Earth is the only planet we can live on, at least for the foreseeable future. We need to understand it for lots of different and significant reasons, from finding more resources as our population grows to mitigating risk from the profound effects of climate change. From the polar realms of the Arctic to the deserts, rainforests and mangroves of Australia, and far beyond to Mars and the outer planets, the School of EAE offers a diversity of exciting topics for study and research. We are committed to providing cutting-edge training for the students in the classroom, online and out in the real world, exploring and understanding all aspects of the environment around us. The lives and careers of all of us will be affected by climate change. In our school, we try to understand the systematics of climate change and figure out solutions and mitigation strategies to protect the world we live in. Natural hazards such as volcanoes, earthquakes and bushfires affect millions of people worldwide. However, people need to live in areas affected by these natural disasters because these regions are some of the most useful on Earth for farming and renewable energy. Research in the School of EAE helps estimate risks and identify safe places for people to live. Your smartphone contains over 80 different elements. Our school looks at mining and sustainability so that we can build technologies of the future, including renewable energy infrastructure and electric cars. Australia is the driest inhabited continent. We need to be smart about water and food security so that we can feed our growing population. If you're excited about science, then come join us in the School of Earth, Atmosphere and Environment. We study real-world problems in a range of disciplines over many scientific fields, including chemistry, biology, physics, geography and environmental science. If you love combining different scientific disciplines to find solutions to build a sustainable future, then you'll love being part of the School of Earth, Atmosphere and Environment. To shape our sustainable future, you'll need to know how Earth works. In our undergraduate degree, you'll study topics like the ones listed here. There are 3 majors in EAE. They are Earth Science, Atmospheric Science and Geographical Science. All our majors feature fieldwork, where you'll go out of the classroom and into the natural environment to study Earth processes as they happen. Some of these field trips are day or overnight trips within Victoria, but we also have the option of overseas trips to Italy and New Zealand. If you major in Earth, Atmosphere and Environment, then you can look forward to a range of career options that are interesting and rewarding. Our graduates go into careers in areas like the ones that you see listed here. The median pay of our graduates straight out of our undergraduate degree is really high compared to the other disciplines. You'll start off at around $60,000 a year and, more importantly, you'll be getting paid to do something that you love. So here are the options for first year. On the left side is a list of the subjects and along the top are the 3 EAE majors. Where you see a tick, that means that the subject is compulsory if you want to do that major. Where it says beneficial, that means that this subject will help you, but it's not compulsory. So if you're not sure what you want to major in within EAE, you can see that doing EAE 1011 and ATS 1310 in first semester and EAE 1022 in second semester will cover all your options. So you can just enrol in those 3 if you want. However, if you already know that you want to do the Earth Science or Atmospheric Science major, you can just enrol in EAE 1011 in the first semester and EAE 1022 in the second semester. On the other hand, if you know that you want to do the Geographical Science major, then you can enrol in ATS 1310 for first semester and EAE 1022 in second semester. The other optional units listed there are really beneficial too. So ATS 1309 is a second semester unit that focuses on tackling problems like changing population and urban development. MTH 1030 is offered in both semesters and will bring you up to speed on the maths of modelling. So that's an important one for atmospheric science majors. Sci 1300 is in second semester and is also really interesting. It focuses on the science and policy framework of climate change, and it's a great unit to take for all science majors. So if you're into science and understanding how Earth and the universe work, we hope you'll come over and join us in the School of Earth, Atmosphere and Environment.